What is going on, guys? Hayden here, and today I'm gonna be making a short video on some metal art. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on this, and this is what it is. It is a stainless steel heart, obviously. This thing would focus. It isn't too big. It'd be perfect for somebody's coffee table, or say above a fireplace, or wherever you want to put it. I did make one this weekend for my girlfriend, but the one I made her is out of pie cuts, and I was gonna do a giveaway on a pie cut one and make another one, but it took so long to make all the pie cuts, so I ended up doing one out of mandrel bent ones instead. It made it look a whole lot more symmetrical because it's mandrel bent instead of pie cuts. So this would be a good present for, I guess, really anybody on Valentine's Day, and that's why I'm trying to get this video out. This video will be uploaded tonight. Today is Tuesday, correct? No, today's Monday. Today is Monday. I'm gonna be uploading the video right away. The giveaway will be on my Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description for that. So if you want to be a part of this, you need to go to my Instagram, and I'll be making a post there about, basically, you just need to comment and follow me on Instagram, and you'll basically be entered in the giveaway for this weld heart. The giveaway will be ending on Wednesday in the afternoon. I will be selecting the winner. Well, I guess it'll be random. So it'll be a random winner, obviously, and that'll be done on Wednesday. So that way I can still get it shipped out before Valentine's Day, and you guys can get it and give it as a gift or keep it, whatever you want to do. So if you are interested in that giveaway, please go to my Instagram. It is my business name now, so it is just Meticulous. I'll put a link, or not a link, I can't put a link, but I'll put my username in the description as always, guys. The rest of this video will be just some short clips of me making it. And hope you guys enjoy me making it. It's just be a little bit of clips thrown together of the process somewhat. So as always, hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you guys are excited to win this metal heart. It's pretty cool, the pie cut one. I'll put a picture of the pie cut one up right now. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. You guys are awesome. And until next time, guys, see ya.